Hello everybody, my name is Hamed Gholamreza or Hamed Gholamreza. Welcome to this lesson or welcome to this video. The video you are watching is troubleshooting video with one of the students. One of the students of the academy had a problem with the lighting of this project. There was a lighting in this project in a strange way. It didn't disappear, and even its source was not clear. Initial investigation were done with the student, but there was no result, and the student sent it to the course instructor, Hamed Gholamreza or Hamed Gholamreza, to fix the problem in a video. With the methods you see in this video, that a strange light is removed and the scene returns to normal. In this 22 minutes troubleshooting video, during troubleshooting, the course instruction gives suggestions to improve performance of the viewport and replace 3D objects. Ghori Architecture Academy or Academy of Ghori started its activity in 2017 and currently has 1,488 active students. It has 14 architecture courses. The founder of Ghori Architecture Academy or Academy of Ghori is Mr. Hamed Gholamreza or Hamed Gholamreza, and thanks to my dear colleagues including Mustafa Chagari, Hadi Nazari, Nilofar Fatahi, Milad Soltani, Marwarid Naqibi, Maryam Sayad, and many others whose names are not mentioned.